I've really oscillated around is financing and venture capital. So I sort of, and I think talking to other founders, I think this is quite common where, you have great ambition. I think we're solving a real problem. There's massive demand for what we do. But it's a technical product development and we need a lot of resources. And there's this temptation, and I admit to having been lured many times and perhaps wasted quite a lot of time, particularly in 2020 and 2023, trying to go out to market and raise money, because I felt like, hey, that's how you accelerate. Like you get more money in the door, we build a better product, we get it out to more people. That's how we prime the pump. The problem is that we're twofold, actually. The first thing is that B2B SaaS is actually not a great category for VC investment, because it's something that you can do without. It's not like we've had paying customers day one. We have a revenue model that doesn't necessarily need venture capital, and it comes with a lot of downsides, because then the companies, and there were plenty of companies in our space that took that money in 2021 and ran off with it. But you know what I mean? They spent the money and they got nothing from it. Like they went through exactly the same roller coaster ride as we did, except that they were 10x bigger and had to shrink 10x faster. So it's just a bigger roller coaster. So I think, if I really look back on it, I don't think that, and I'm now quite anti-raising VC, because I just don't think that would actually have solved our problem. It would have given us more runway, would have, hired a bigger team. Certainly, maybe it would have made me more famous, but I don't think it necessarily would have improved our chance of building a profitable business. In fact, it might have reduced our chances, because that's what we've always got to remember about the VC model, is that they don't really want a lot of their companies to survive. They'd rather you die trying to get rich, as they say.